Okay, good morning, dear students. Welcome to the session today, October the 11th. Today, officially, we are going to start the second semester in the first part of this, in the first term of this, and we are going to continue with the unit number 3. In this case, we're going to talk about food, okay? The unit says food for thought. In this unit, we are going to revise the following aspects about grammar, countable and countables, and some and non-quantifiers. We're going to talk about some vocabulary, food, table, containers, portions. We are going to have some challenges writing for a meal, learning food, and obviously we are going to have some magazine articles to talk about that. That is the focus of the unit that we are going to talk into this one. Today we're going to start with the unit and we're going to start into food, extreme food about this, okay? And obviously here you are going to listen, and you are going to follow the reading also according to this, okay? Attention, 1, 2, 3.
Extreme restaurants. Some restaurants are good, some restaurants are bad, but others are simply weird. Read on and discover the joys of extreme eating. 1. Dinner in the dark.
People usually go to sleep when it's dark. But in this restaurant, you eat in the dark. There isn't any light at all. The waiters wear special goggles to see in the dark, and they serve you a 5-course dinner. It's difficult to guess what you're eating, but it's fun.
2. There's an insect in my soup.
Are there any burgers? Is there any cheese? Don't ask, because in this restaurant, insects are on the menu. You can try crickets on toast and locust soup or salad. You can also have some fried scorpions. Remember, in a lot of countries, people eat insects because they're nutritious and delicious.
3. Sky high.
There are no walls and there isn't a floor. So, where's this restaurant? It's 50 meters above the ground, and you have to wear a seatbelt. It's very expensive too. About £10,000 for a meal for 20 people. If you need to go to the bathroom, the table goes down to the ground again.
4. A night to remember.
There's some bread and some meat on a wooden plate. There are musicians and jugglers to entertain you. And that's a knight in armour next to the kitchen. This isn't a normal 21st century restaurant, it's a medieval one. So remember, there are knives, but there aren't any forks.
Very good. Okay, so here we have some information about 4 specific restaurants. Okay, Janina, in the number 1, what is the name of the first one, of the first announcement?
Dinner in the dark.
Okay, Janina, according to the first part, okay, what characteristics, what kind of descriptions can you identify in this part number 1? Talking about the restaurant, okay?
When you go to the restaurant, you go to it, right? But it's not a normal restaurant. When you go to it, it's all in the dark. It's the principal characteristic of the.
Okay, so what happened with the, especially with the chef or the waiters, what they have to wear?
Special goggles.
Very good, okay, and obviously for people it's fun. Natalie, talking about the number 2, Natalie, okay, it's a special menu here. What can you tell me about that, Natalie?
Insects are on the menu.
Okay, for example, can you list any one of the examples given? What kind of insects are served?
And crickets on toast and lactose soup or salad.
Very good. Locust. Remember, it's like the grasshoppers, like saltamontes, similar to the grillos. Those are the locust. Okay, very good. In the number 3, Diego Anchala. Okay, what happened in a Sky High restaurant? What is the interesting thing here, Diego? Activate your microphone, Diego, please.
Okay.
There's no
Walls, and there is a floor.
Okay, what happened in this? It's a
And it's much 16 meters above to the ground.
very good, okay? And what happened with the food? The food. It's what kind of restaurant is this?
It's very expensive.
Okay, it's very expensive, okay? Very good. We continue with the next one, Dalia Suarez. A knight, a warrior to remember, okay? What kind of restaurant is this? Can you describe this one?
Some meat and wonder play.
Okay, anything else?
Musicians.
Musicians and
Googles.
jugglers. What are the jugglers? The jugglers, those are that play with balls, okay? Those are in this case jugglers, okay? And obviously it's what kind of restaurant is this? It's a
Medieval.
medieval?
21st century restaurant.
Very good. Okay, in this case, you only use your hands, your fingers to eat, okay? That is the information that we have about this, interesting. Using this information, we are going to read the following aspects. Attention, here we have in the picture, attention everybody, activity number 2. Here you have the picture A, B, C, and D. We are going to work on this for a moment, okay? So attention in the following. Manuel Pico, start reading this.
Read the comments and match them with the restaurant.
Exactly. Those are the comments. Valentina, Luis, Catherine, Ricky, and Alicia, okay? Those are the comments, and you are going to match with the restaurants too in this case. You have A, B, or C. Start reading this.
Valentina, is there any waters? I can't see my glass, and eating some fish, it's delicious.
In your personal opinion, Manuel, what is the picture that you refer for that?
My opinion is
The picture A, B, C, or D?
The letter A.
Letter A, are you sure? I can't see my glass. A, B, C, or D?
The letter D.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Continue with the next one, please. Ivana Galvez, number 2.
There's some rice, some vegetables, and some chickens. It looks beautiful, but can it eat? I am terrified of eggs.
Hates. It's very
Hates.
It's very hates. What is the
A.
Very good, very good. Teire, continue with number 3, please.
The waiters here are wearing funny costumes. I'm eating while my hands are full messy.
It's fun but messy. Customs. For example, in Halloween, we use customs. Okay? And you're eating with the hands. What is A, B, or C, or D? What is the restaurant? The picture A, the picture B, or the picture C? The picture D? Teire.
C.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Look at the kind of clothing that they are wearing. Very good, very good. Macias Valeska, continue with the number 4, please.
I haven't a special birthday dinner, but there are some very small creatures in my shop, and I am not happy.
Okay. What is the picture that you refers to this?
A.
Are you sure that it's the letter A? Some creatures in the soup.
D.
The letter?
D.
No, he's using, in this case, we're in Google's. Is the letter?
Sí.
Okay, thank you very much. Continue, Frederick. Number 5.
¿Sí me escucha?
Number 5, please.
Oops, my knife is on the ground and it's a long away.
Okay. What is that? On the ground. What is that?
It is number B.
Are you sure? It's about this, okay? In the number 1, so we have the letter A because it's on the ground, okay? Those are some of the characteristics that we find here and that you have. Please complete in your books. Complete in your books. Quickly, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete in your books. Les recuerdo que tienen que tener sus materiales a la mano. Pronto ya nos vamos a ver, Dios mediante. Vayámonos preparando para la presencialidad. Recuerden que los libros van a ser calificables. Los libros, ustedes tienen el workbook en físico y tienen el student book. A su retorno, esos libros son calificables. Van a pertenecer a una calificación. Así que, por favor, ¿ok? Vayan completando la información, ya no solo en la plataforma, también en el texto. Okay, so here we have the information and we continue with this. In this section, we are talking about a restaurant, okay? We have the word some. Please, now I need that you talk about the activity number 5. Activity number 5. Page 29, activity number 5, please. Activity number 5. Here in the restaurant, we have some words that we are finding into this. Here we have some words that we are finding into the story. And we are going to read about that. Gianfranco, start reading this.
When you arrive at a restaurant,
Continue, Gianfranco.
The waiter gives you a menu and takes you to your table. Then he or she serves your food. You can have a third, a main course, and a dessert.
Okay, pay attention to the words related to the restaurant. Okay, you have a waiter, you have a menu, you are taken to a table, and you are served with your food. And you can use a starter, a main course, or a dessert on that, okay? Please complete the vocabulary used in the unit. Complete the vocabulary, please, quickly. Complete in your vocabulary, okay? Take your notes, write on your book. Write on your book, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Ready? You can take captures. Recuerda que también puede tomar capturas de pantalla y utilizar un documento de Word. Si lo quiere hacer después en la tranquilidad, después de la clase, ¿ok? También puede tomar capturas de pantalla. You can take some captures and use a Word document, okay? So those are the words in the first part that we are having for that. So Using this information about restaurants and interesting information, we go to the vocabulary section. Vocabulary, in this section, we're going to talk about food. Okay, page 29, we're going to talk about food. Here we have some items. Attention, Gabriela, start reading, please.
Look at the basket and number the items in the shopping list.
Okay, the basket and the items. This is a basket. This is the basket. Okay, the container, the basket. And here we have some items. Or those are not objects. Those are kind of fruit and vegetables. And we're going to do our shopping list. This is our shopping list. Okay, so here you have some of the elements that we have in the basket. Here we have some elements that we have in the basket. Attention, everybody. I need attention. Boys, the group of boys. Attention, the group of boys. I need that you use the annotate bar. Boys, use the annotate bar, and the ladies use the chat. Ladies use the chat, and the boys use the annotate bar, please. You are going to put the correct number into the list, okay? Those are the numbers. Exactly. Very good, Andres. Excellent. Continue the rest. Boys, only Andres is the only boy here. Girls, use the chat. Girls, use the chat. Very good, Gabriela. Girls, use the chat. Continue with the rest. Continue the rest. Quickly, quickly. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, I am taking notes of the students who are participating. Okay, the chat is moving. Very good, Gabriela, Diana, Natalie. Okay, good, good. Andres again. What happened with green beans and cabbage? What happened with the rest? Okay, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Very good. Okay, let's do it, let's do it. Perfect. Okay, the chat is moving now, okay? Very good. If you have to do any kind of correction, let's do it. If you have to do any kind of correction, let's do it, please, okay? It's not any problem. You can do any kind of correction. Remember, okay? If you need to do any kind of correction, let's do it. So here we have the information related to this, okay? And now we're going to discover what were some of the numbers that you were using on this. Very good. Attention, we have, please start Ernesto Pozo. Okay, can you tell me, what is the number 1?
Onions.
Number 2?
Flour.
Number 3?
Garbage.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Number 4? Number 4? Sorry? You have the number 4. What are the number 4? Continue, please, Natalia Pionce. What is the number 4?
Green beans.
Green beans. Number 5. What is the number 5?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Okay, what is the number 6? What is the number 6?
Prawns.
Prawns. Prawns. Remember this word. Prawns are similar to shrimp. Prawns or shrimps, okay? Prawns or very American shrimps, okay? Continue with the number 7.
Pineapple.
Continue with the number 8. Number 8, peppers. Continue with the number 9. What is the number 9 here?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Cucumber. Okay, what is the number 10?
Oil.
oil. Okay, very good. Please complete in your books. Thank you very much. Complete in your books. Number in your books. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Remember, prawns are the same like shrimps. Peppers in different colors. Okay, peppers. Let's do it. Let's do it. Complete information. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So those are the first part of the vocabulary about the food or vegetables that we're going to find on this. With this information, now we are going to complete the second part. Now we have a graphic in the number 9, activity number 9, we have a graphic. In this graphic, we are going to use the words in the box. The words in the box, we're going to distribute into this organizer, okay? You're going to make the graphic organizer, okay? You are going to elicit, you're going to distribute the words into this, okay? Take your notes according to this. Attention, we have some categories. We have some categories. We're going to drag on this. The category for fruit, category for vegetables, the category for meat, the category for fish, dairy products category, and the carbohydrates category. Here in the box, you have the words, okay? Here in the box, you have the words that you are going to use to do that. Attention, ladies, girls, ladies, you're going to use the annotate bar. Ladies, use the annotate bar, and the boys use the chat. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, please. Let's do it. Quickly, please. Quickly, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. I need that you use the annotate bar. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Quickly. Let's do it. Quickly, quickly. Boys in the chat. So quickly. Very good. Very good. Okay. What happened with the rest? What happened with the rest? Okay. Please. Boys. Only Manuel Pico is contributing. And what happened with the rest? Okay. Really good. Okay, Ernesto. Dalia, remember you have to use the annotate bar. Gianfranco is contributing with the dairy products. Torres also. Boys, quickly, I need that you collaborate. Okay? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We're sleeping right now, I mean. Okay, let's do it, let's do it. Excellent. Okay, so here we have classified some of the categories. And obviously, we're going to make some corrections. Let's do it, please. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Excellent. Okay, excellent. Students are collaborating. Let's do it, let's do it. If you have to make any correction, let's do it. You can use the annotate bar to correct errors. Let's do it, let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, very good, Andres. Excellent, your collaboration. Okay, very good. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so right now you are going to correct all the answers. You are going to correct all the answers. And here we have the first classification for them according to this. Attention, everybody. Here we have the first classification for them. And obviously we are going to restart for this. Okay, very good. So here we have the first categories that we are going to do in this. Okay, wait a minute. Let me take my evidences. Take my evidences. Please, just wait, just wait. Okay. Very good. Now we continue. So here we have all the answers. Here we have all the answers, so we can clear about them. Please, into the category Estrada, with the category for fruit, please. Correct your errors in your books. Correct your errors in your books. Copy in your books. Okay, Miss Irene.
Yeah, fruits.
Fruit.
Peach, fruit. Peach, grapes, and lemons.
For the category for vegetables.
Vegetables, lettuce, peas, tomato.
Okay, those are for the vegetables. What happened with the category for meat?
Meat is beef, chicken, and pork.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, Dana Maldonado, what about fish? Category.
Fish is salmon and tuna.
For dairy products?
Dairy products is butter, cheese, milk, and yogurt.
And for the carbohydrates?
Beer, pasta, and rice.
Very good. Thank you very much. Okay. Please correct the errors. Correct the errors in your books. Quickly, quickly. Let's do it. Correct your errors. Quickly, quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ready? Okay. So that is the part of the introduction that we have about this. And now we are going to get concentrated into the next part. Attention, please. Page 30. Page 30. Quickly, quickly. Page 30. Here we have the grammar. We have the grammar presentation from this. Countable and uncountables using some, any, and the special word no. Here we have the first one. Okay, so page 30. In this case, we are going to have the countables. Ernesto Pozo está reading this.
Countable nouns are things we can count. There are singular and plural forms. A plate, 5 plates, average,
and aubergine, okay.
Averaging to averaging.
Okay, so attention. We are going to use the countables, the traditional a or an, and the numbers. Remember the countables that you can count, it's obviously. What happened with the countable, Ernesto?
Uncountable nouns are things we only have a singular form. We can use or add with them.
For example?
Milk, food, water, sugar, fruits. These are delicious cheese. Have you good time?
Okay, remember that into the countables are only singular. That is the difference. In the countables, you have singular and plural forms, and you can use a or an or any special word to identify the number or the quantities. Into the uncountables are those that we have only into the singular form because it's a word to a general way. Okay, and you can use a or an in this case. You have to be in a general way to speak them. Those countables and uncountable forms are identified into these blocks. Attention, here we have a block with a lot of words related to the vocabulary. I need that you track them into this for countable and uncountables. Attention, attention. Ladies, you are going to write, use the annotate bar. Attention. Ladies, use the annotate bar for the countable. Boys, use the annotate bar for the countables. Attention, please use the annotate bar, ladies. And here you're going to use the for men. Start, please, quickly. Let's do it. Use the annotate bar. Ladies, the countable, and ladies, the countable group, and men, the uncountable. Use the annotate bar. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, let's do it. Okay, separate the words, please. You have a lot of space, so you can work with this. Continue, continue, continue. Continue, continue. Ladies, girls, okay, very good. Continue. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Quickly, quickly, let's do it, let's do it. We almost finished, let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Let's do it, let's do it. Quickly. Did you finish? Correct the errors, correct the errors. If you consider, correct your errors. Correct your errors, please. Let's do it. Quickly, quickly, correct your errors. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so those are the classification that you have found. Okay, let me tell my evidences now. Okay, so here we have the words that you have been using for that, okay? Now we are going to find the answers, the correct answers for them, okay? Wait a minute. Okay, so here we have the answers. Let me see if something fun is happening. Okay. Very good. Here we have the classification for them, okay? Romina Santos, read the countables, please.
Onions, pineapple, cucumber, brag, green beans, cabbage, strawberries, peppers, grapes, lemon, peach, peas, tomato.
Dahlia. Continue with the uncountable forms.
Oil, flour, chicken, beef, bread, butter, cheese, lettuce, milk, pasta, pork, rice, salmon, tuna, y yogurt.
Yogurt, please correct the errors quickly. Correct the errors quickly, please. Correct or complete in your books. Correct or complete in your books. Recuerde que los libros son calificables en el segundo trimestre. Ya nos vamos a volver a ver en cuestión de 1 o 2 semanas. Así que vamos rapidito, ¿ok? ¿Listo? Ready? Quickly, quickly, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, ¿ok? Let's do it, let's do it. Very good. Si no alcanzó a trabajarlo, tiene la grabación disponible en el canal de YouTube para que usted pueda revisar la clase. Ok, we almost finished. La sesión se cierra en 2 minutos. Recuerden que tenemos 2 horas de clase. Vamos a ingresar de manera inmediata. Vamos a ingresar de manera inmediata a la segunda sesión cuando se caiga esta, ¿verdad? Así que no olvidarlo, por favor. Mientras se cierra la sesión, vamos a trabajar la siguiente parte. Activity number 2. Please, page 30, activity number 2. Activity number 2. Here you are going to complete, attention, Derek Clavijo. Derek Clavijo. Read please. Derek Clavijo. Clavijo. Cadete Clavijo, usted tiene un serio problema. Usted normalmente ingresa a clases, pero no trabaja. Le pido de favor que revise sus calificaciones. Son bastante preocupantes. Por favor, veo como evidencia, dejo este video en el cual usted hace exactamente lo mismo todas las semanas. Ingresar y no trabajar y no puntuar es un gran problema para usted. Mercy Verduga, what do we have to do? Read, please. Mercy Verduga. Mercy Verduga. No está tampoco Mercy Verduga. Continue, please, Sabino Solorzano. Sabino Solorzano.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, read information.
Okay, teacher.
Complete.
Complete the text with the correct form of nouns, singular or plural, and a and n if necessary.
Okay, you are going to use the word box and you are going to use in the biz. Nos reunimos de inmediato en la siguiente sesión. Nos reunimos todos de inmediato para poder puntuar y completar el ejercicio, ¿ok? La sesión se va a caer en menos de 1 minuto. Mientras tanto, completen la información y nos volvemos a reintegrar, ¿ok? So quickly, please. Complete information. Complete information quickly. Complete in your books. Complete in your books. Quickly, let's do it. Quickly, let's do it. Quickly, quickly. Complete en su libro. Complete en su libro mientras se cierra